Hello students, welcome to Bindu Dadwal chemistry lesson. Our topic for today is a continuation of molecular orbital theory. In the previous video we had studied about the molecular orbital theory, how molecular orbitals are formed from atomic orbitals, how bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals are formed in case when 1s or atomic orbitals combine with each other. Continuing this, we will talk about combination of 2s and 2p atomic orbitals to form molecular orbitals in this lecture. So combination of 2s atomic orbitals, similar to 1s atomic orbitals, 2s atomic orbitals are also spherical in shape. They can combine in two ways, either by addition of wave functions to form a bonding sigma 2s molecular orbital, or by subtraction of wave function to form sigma star anti-bonding molecular orbital. As you can see, the difference between sigma 2s and sigma star 2s, the bonding molecular orbital, the electron density is more between the nuclei in the internuclear axis in case of sigma 2s, whereas in anti-bonding molecular orbital, this is a nodal region. There are no electrons in between the nuclei and they are diverted away when subtraction of wave function occurs. Next is combination of 2p atomic orbitals. There are three p orbitals, 2px, 2py and 2pz, oriented around along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. By convention, let us assume that the z-axis is the internuclear axis. The x and y-axis would then be perpendicular to the internuclear axis. If this is the internuclear axis, then perpendicular to this will be the x-axis, and again perpendicular to this will be the y-axis. So the 2pz orbital is in the internuclear axis and 2px and 2py are perpendicular to this. The combination of 2p orbitals can form two types of molecular orbitals. One which is formed by head-on overlap is called the sigma molecular orbital, and the other which is formed by the sideways overlap is called the pi molecular orbital. Formation of sigma molecular orbital when two 2pz orbitals combine, are brought closer to each other along the internuclear axis. They overlap head-on, forming sigma bond. Resulting molecular orbital will be bonding molecular orbital if the wave functions are same, and if their wave functions are opposite, there is subtraction of wave functions, then they will form anti-bonding sigma molecular orbital. So 2pz can form sigma 2pz and sigma star 2pz anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this sigma 2pz is formed by addition of electron waves, and sigma star 2pz anti-bonding molecular orbital is formed. Overlap is by subtracting of electron waves. Formation of pi molecular orbitals. Now the 2px or the 2py atomic orbitals, their symmetry is such that they can combine only by sidewise overlapping or lateral overlapping. So in this case they form pi molecular orbitals. So when a 2px atomic orbital of one atom approaches the 2px atomic orbital of the other atom, the overlapping occurs sidewise and not end to end. The molecular orbital formed by sidewise or lateral overlap is called pi molecular orbital. This molecular orbital is not symmetrical about the internuclear axis. Rather, it forms electron clouds above and below the internuclear axis. When these p orbitals are added or they overlap constructively so that the electron wave functions are added to each other, a pi molecular orbital, pi 2p x molecular orbital which is bonding in nature is formed, and if there is subtraction of electron waves and sidewise overlap, then this is anti-bonding molecular orbital pi star 2px is formed. In this molecular orbital, the electrons are pointing away from the nuclei and there is a node in between the nuclei. This does not support bonding, its energy is higher. This supports bonding, its energy is lower. Exactly similar to this, we can have a pi molecular orbital between 2py and 2py, pi 2py and a pi star 2py. Difference between sigma and pi molecular orbital. A sigma molecular orbital is formed by head-on overlap of atomic orbitals along the internuclear axis. These two are showing head-on overlaps. Pi bond is formed by sidewise overlap of atomic orbitals perpendicular to the internuclear axis. The overlap region is more maximum in sigma molecular orbital, overlap region is minimum. The orbital is symmetrical to rotation about internuclear axis. The orbital is not symmetrical to rotation about the internuclear axis. It leads to formation of a strong bond, sigma bond. It leads to the formation of a weak bond. Conditions for combination of atomic orbitals. The combining atomic orbitals must have same or nearly the same energies. The extent of overlapping between atomic orbitals of two atoms should be large. The combining atomic orbitals must have same symmetry or proper orientation around the molecular axis. So 2pz and 2pz have proper orientation, they will form a bond. 2pz and 2px are not properly oriented. This is improper orientation, there will be no overlap. Similarly, 2px and 2py are also having improper orientation. So a 2px orbital cannot form a bond or overlap with 2py. 2pz can also not form with 2py. S and p can overlap if they are overlapping head-on. But if they are overlapping sideways, then this is improper orientation and there will be no bond, no net overlap results. Energy level diagram for molecular orbitals. We have seen different molecular orbitals formed: sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, sigma star 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py, pi star 2px and pi star 2py. Now the energies are different. The relative energies of molecular orbital depends upon the following two factors: the energies of atomic orbitals combining to form a molecular orbital. 1s की एनर्जी कम होती है, तो जब ये कंबाइन करके सिग्मा 1s बनाएंगे तो उसकी एनर्जी भी सिग्मा 2s से कम होगी. तो एक तो एनर्जी ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स जो कंबाइन हो रहे हैं उस पे मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल की एनर्जी डिपेंड होती है, और दूसरा कितनी ओवरलैपिंग हो रही है, द एक्सटेंट ऑफ ओवरलैपिंग बिटवीन एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स. जितना ज्यादा ओवरलैप हो रहा होगा उतनी ही बॉन्डिंग होगी और मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल की एनर्जी लोअर हो जाएगी, और जितना ज्यादा ओवरलैप हो रहा है उतनी ही एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल की एनर्जी रेज हो जाएगी in comparison to atomic orbital. For example, extent of overlapping in case of sigma orbital is more than pi orbital. So the energy of sigma orbital is less than that of pi orbital. Now 1s atomic orbitals of two atoms form two molecular orbitals designated as sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. 2s and 2p orbitals, 8 atomic orbitals of two atoms form 4 bonding molecular orbitals and 4 anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Bonding are sigma 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py, and anti-bonding are sigma star 2s, sigma star 2pz, pi star 2px, and pi star 2py. From these studies, we can determine the order of increasing energy. Sigma 1s has the minimum energy. Its value increases as sigma star 1s, then sigma 2s, then sigma star 2s, then pi 2px and pi 2py have equal energies. Pi star 2px and pi star 2py have equal energies but greater than pi 2px and pi 2py, and then sigma star 2pz. Now this energy is not constant for all the molecules. What we see is that for smaller molecules like Li2, Be2, B2, C2, N2 molecules, the energy pattern differs over here. The energy of pi 2px and 2py is less than that of sigma 2pz. So the order is sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px, pi 2py equal, then sigma 2pz, then pi star 2px, pi star 2py, and sigma star 2pz. लेकिन जब इससे बड़े मॉलिक्यूल्स जैसे ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन और नियॉन 2 की बात आती है, मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल लेवल डायग्राम फॉर O2, F2 एंड Ne2 मॉलिक्यूल्स, तो वहाँ जो है सिग्मा 2pz की एनर्जी कम होती है और पाई 2px 2py की ज्यादा होती है. यहाँ रिवर्स था, पाई की कम थी. बाकी सब ऑर्डर जो है पहले जैसा ही है. तो ऑर्डर है सिग्मा 1s, सिग्मा स्टार 1s, सिग्मा 2s, सिग्मा स्टार 2s, सिग्मा 2pz, देन पाई 2px इक्वल टू पाई 2py, देन पाई स्टार 2px इक्वल टू पाई स्टार 2py, एंड देन सिग्मा 2pz. ऐसा डिफरेंस इसलिए आता है कि ये वाले मॉलिक्यूल्स जो हैं छोटे हैं, इनकी डिफरेंस इन एनर्जी लेवल्स जो है 2s और 2p के लिए स्मॉल है और इसलिए ये इंटरैक्ट करते हैं और रिपल्शन की वजह से सिग्मा की एनर्जी बढ़ जाती है, सिग्मा 2pz की पाई 2px और पाई 2py से. जबकि ये वाले जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं बड़े हैं, इनके 2s और 2p इंटरैक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, इसलिए इनका ऑर्डर ऑफ एनर्जी वही रहता है जो प्रिडिक्ट किया गया है.